Welcome back to Together in Our Italian Kitchen. Today we're making a classic Italian lasagna. My husband will cook while I guide you through every step. We'll make the ragu, fresh pasta, bechamel sauce, and then assemble everything into a beautiful layered lasagna. Let's start. To prepare lasagna, you'll need onion, carrot, celery, olive oil, ground beef, salt and pepper, tomato sauce, white wine, flour, eggs, butter, milk, nutmeg, mozzarella, and Parmesan cheese. Let's start with the ragu. We begin with the soffritto, onion, carrot, and celery. This combination is the base of so many Italian dishes. The vegetable must be chopped very small, almost like tiny cubes, because they'll melt into the sauce. If you want a sweeter ragu, add a little more carrot. If you prefer a stronger flavor, use more celery. Some Italian nonnas add small pieces of garlic too, but it's optional. A good soffritto is the secret to a flavorful ragu. In a large pan, we heat olive oil and saute the onion, carrot, and celery. Let them soften until lightly golden. The trick is to cook soffritto slowly. Never rush this part. It gives the sauce its depth. Now we add a ground meat. We're using beef, but a mix of beef and pork is even more traditional and gives a richer flavor. Make sure to crumble the meat well so it browns evenly. Once the meat is browned, we add salt and pepper. Don't forget the white wine to deglaze the ragu. And now tomato sauce. Mix well and let it simmer on low heat for about 2 hours. Ragu loves slow cooking. The longer it cooks, the better it gets. Now let's make the fresh pasta. We use 300 grams of flour and 3 eggs. If your dough feels too dry, add just a teaspoon of water. If it's too sticky, sprinkle a bit more flour. but not too much or it will become tough. When the dough is smooth, let it rest for 30 minutes. Resting relaxes the gluten and makes it easier to roll. After resting, we roll the dough with the pasta machine. Start from the thickest setting and work your way down to the tiniest. Cut the sheets based on the size of your baking dish. Boil each sheet for 1 minute, then cool them in cold water. For the bechamel, we need 1 liter of warm milk, 60 grams of butter, and 60 grams of flour. Start heating the butter. And when it's completely melted, add the flour and mix well to create the cream. Then gradually add the milk, always stirring. Finally, season with nutmeg, salt, and black pepper. Nutmeg gives that classic Italian flavor. Now we're ready to assemble. Always start with a thin layer of bechamel so nothing sticks. Don't make your layers too thick. Lasagna is about balance. We repeat the layers. pasta, bechamel, ragu, mozzarella, and continue. If you like it extra cheesy, add more mozzarella between layers. At the top, always finish with parmesan. This gives a beautiful golden crust. Cover with aluminum foil and bake at 250 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Then remove the foil and bake another 10 minutes to brown the top. Let the lasagna rest for a few minutes before cutting it. This keeps the layers perfect. And here it is, our homemade Italian lasagna. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe, leave a like and share this video. Grazie for cooking with us in our Italian kitchen. See you next time.